giving me a chance to introduce myself in your family, and I hope you are in good condition while watching my video. I'm Marian Haba, 40 years of age. I am a single mother of two. My work experience in Hong Kong in 2016 until 2023. And then my duties to care the 4 kids and then the 2 elderly, and I know to cook, wash, to go to market, and then wash the cars. That's it.
How many helpers in your employer's house?
2 helpers and my employer's house.
Do you have any experience in taking care of a newly born baby?
No, ma'am, but I have own baby. I know to care the newborn.
How about children? Do you have any experience?
Also, no, ma'am, but I have children too.
Are you capable enough in tutoring children?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me a sample of a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Feeling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha.
Are you willing to take care of an invalid person?
Yes, ma'am.
What if you feel homesick? What are you going to do?
I feel make myself busy, ma'am.
What if you have misunderstanding with your employer? What are you going to do?
I will be polite and then say sorry and promise not to do again my same mistake.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hello, ma'am, sir. I know you select the new domestic helper. I'm here applying. I promise that if you hire me, I will do my very best and then to be a good employer. And then I promise I will treat your family as my family too. And then I promise I will follow your rules without any complaint. And then I will promise I finish my contract, and then I'm willing to renew as long as you like me. Thank you, and then hope to see you.